Hello everyone, I'm Mike Anderson from Collision Advice, and this is my great friend Danny Gredinberg from the DEG. And we are so excited to be working with SCRS to bring you a brand new series of quick tips to help you to boost your business.
Welcome back. Today's tip is going to be something that we got a request from one of our viewers, which is collision photography and how to take the right photo to document your file. You know what, Mike? I know you're visiting shops quite often. You have a lot of experience when it comes down to photography and getting the right photo. What are your thoughts on this?
You know, Danny, I got to tell you, collision photography, us having to take photos as shops, collision repairers, and maybe send them to a third-party repair, or even to document our OEM repair procedures. Some of the OEMs today require that you document that you've done your destructive test welds, et cetera, by photo. So a couple quick tips. Number one is, I see you have a PDR light here.
Yep.
That's a must-have. If you're going to take photos for a third-party repair or to document a procedure for an OEM manufacturer, as per your OEM certification program, you want to invest in a PDR type light. You always want to make sure that that light is shining on the damage at like a 45-degree angle from the side, and then you want to take your photo from the opposite side going into the light. You don't want to take your photo straight on. The second thing, ladies and gentlemen, is if you are going to take your phone with a mobile device like a phone, you want to make sure you hold your phone this way versus this way. If you hold it this way, you're going to have a lot more control over it. It's not going to shake as much. And also, you want to keep your elbows pulled in tight. Now, I got to tell you, I still prefer using a digital camera. A lot of people don't, but I do. Couple other tips. There are a ton of tutorials online on YouTube. There's Facebook groups on how to take photos with like your iPhone, or what kind of phone is it you have again, Danny?
Android.
Android, yeah. So depending on what your mobile device is, there's a lot of free, again, YouTube videos, social media groups that you can belong to in order to pick up some tips. So, again, collision photography is not going away. Understand we have to do it for both the third-party repair. We don't have to, but if we want to get reimbursed in a quicker or timely manner, it's something we can do to help our case. And number two is, it's going to be required more and more, I believe, for OEM certifications. Danny, your thoughts?
No, it's a great point, Mike. And making the investment now early on, get used to it, adopt it. Again, this process isn't going away anytime soon. And this is a really great tip, asked by our viewer. So I'm glad we were able to address this for you guys.
Yeah, and remember, if you are watching these videos and you have something that you'd like to see Danny and I talk about, please feel free to suggest your ideas. Thanks for attending.
If you find these tips helpful, please subscribe, like, and share, and comment below for any future suggestions. Thank you for watching.